Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to look at another handheld espresso which is compact, which you can carry around. If you're going for a hike or a picnic, you can carry this with you. And as you know, there are several handheld espresso machines in the market which is getting popular nowadays, but we will look at this product, whether this is good enough, whether it's good enough for the money that you paid. But we should be worrying about the quality of the product, whether it's good, easy to use, whether it's gonna last long, whether it can make amazing espresso or not. These are the things we will be reviewing. So before I begin, shout out to Staresso for sending me this product. They send me a few products, so we're going to see what are in the box, and then we will review and see whether it's a good product. I'll be giving you an honest opinion, and let's begin. Okay, so let's see what is in the box. So first of all, this is the machine itself. It's called Mirage Plus, and this is an upgraded version 3, and seems to be black color, and that's the specification. I believe it can focus, so okay, so we will unbox this. We'll keep it aside for now. Let's see what else in the box. Okay, that looks like a dosing funnel, 53 mm. That's a brand, Staresso brand coffee funnel. Oh, that looks cool. And that's a brand name and feels solid. That's the dosing funnel. The quality looks amazing. I mean, it feels good in your hand. It's not cheap plastic, it's some metal. Let's see what else. That's a Staresso tamper. Let's open and see. Oh, that looks amazing too. Look at the wooden handle and the chrome finish. Look at that pattern. This is really good. It feels so heavy, and you could see the logo here, Staresso logo, and the guideline for how much you want to tamp. Amazing. Okay, so let's see what else. Then we have, oh, okay, that's a filter basket. This is a non-pressurized, so I was thinking it could use only pressurized. This comes as an extra, but I'm glad they sent it to me. So you could have amazing coffee with non-pressurized basket. Now you have to be careful. You need to use freshly roasted beans when you're using non-pressurized basket. But look at that, it looks cool, solid. Okay, there is one more box. What is this? My goodness, they sent me Discovery 2 handheld grinder. That's an electric grinder. They used to have a manual grinder where you have to manually grind the beans. Now they have this new electric coffee grinder. That's a spec. So it uses battery, I believe. Okay, so that's it in the box. So we'll go through this quickly. So these are the items that came in the box which they sent me. This is the Staresso espresso machine itself, handheld. Again, handheld grinder which is electric and battery operated. A tamper, Staresso brand, filter cup, non-pressurized, and a dosing funnel which is again Staresso brand. So let's open this main item, which is the espresso machine itself. All other items are accessories, so we will see that. So let's begin. So here, first of all, we have the user manual. It's written Portable Espresso Maker Mirage. That's the model number SP300 plus. The instruction in English, Chinese, Dutch. So the user manual looks straightforward. It gives you all the parts and the description of the parts and how to assemble. Good. It's a color manual, well described. And oh, there's something. There's a tiny brush. Let's see. Oh, that's so tiny. That's to clean the espresso grinds for sure. And a tiny pin here, which is sharp. Maybe it can clean it could be the nozzle of the machine itself. Anyway, let's keep it aside. And then we have, what is this? Okay, a dosing cup. That's cute. It has the logo Staresso. And that's it, I think. Then the machine itself. Look at that. Feels solid. Well built. So these are like flaps which locks. Okay, let's keep it aside. It looks like the new Artemis launcher. Anyway. Okay, so you could take it out, just push it, and then that's a little pump, I guess. You push, twist counterclockwise, and then you're ready to pump and add pressure. This seems to be the cup. So that's a filter in there. Here's a basket. This seems a pressurized basket because there's only one hole here. Okay. So this pen is to clean the hole which is here. It goes in well. Okay. Now that's the espresso cup itself. Stainless steel inside. Oh, it comes out. Okay, so that will be your cup. Okay, what else? Here we have a silicone gasket to retain the pressure, and then the filter itself and the pump. Okay, let's assemble everything back and then let's see. So here's all the product and accessories, and then let's assemble it back. Just push it in, and this goes in here, and then you screw it. That's it. Okay. That's how you lock it back. Now again, to take it out, you don't push it because it locks on its own. There's a lock here. Plus it sits on a rubber bush, so it doesn't slide that easy. It's solid. So there's a little lock here. You need to push it down, and now you can fold it. If you don't do that, it won't it's locked, so it won't fold. So push it down, and same thing here, just push it down here. Now you could assemble it back. Now you can carry it around in your pocket. So that is just an unboxing video of the machine and the accessories they sent to me. So the next video I'll be making an espresso, so make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and also I'll be unboxing this in my next video, so stay tuned guys. See you guys next time. Bye for now.